Bar graphs. A quick description of a bar graph is it compares categories of data with bars representing the frequency of each event. So on the left here you can see that we've got some tallies, and it looks like some students were asked to write down their favorite sport or something like that and turn that in. Somehow data was collected so that we could find out what each student responded with. So frequency just means the number of responses for each category. So for basketball, there were 15 people that said that was their favorite. Football, there were 25 people that said that was their favorite. And then you can convert that frequency into a bar graph. And just a couple pieces to point out. The categories usually go on the horizontal axis, and then the frequency is typically shown on the vertical axis. So this happens to be the number of students. And then something to consider is the window. So that would be, what number do I start with on my bar graph on the left side? It looks like they started with 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. They went up by 5s. And how they decided to do that is they looked at the different frequencies. And everything seemed to be between, 15 and 25 essentially. So they could have even made this a smaller window if they wanted to. But I'm guessing they wanted to show off the differences in heights. So if you change your window, basically between here and here, visually it's going to be a little bit different. And just know that sometimes people can sway you by changing that window on the side there too. So visually it can be misleading depending on what number is chosen. So yeah, that's just a quick summary of what a bar graph is, and then obviously the frequency will go. So for instance, basketball had 15 people say it was their favorite, so that bar graph or that bar will correlate to how many responses they had for basketball. So just a quick review on bar graphs.